Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how can we run our Python code, Python file, and that our code is being saved. So that file we should have to run on the command prompt and we can say on the terminal. So for that we should have the file. Okay, so we'll just go to the notepad and we'll write any code over here. So I will just write input. I will take the input from the user and simple code will be I will say user to enter your name. Okay, I will just say enter your name and I will give this colon because I have that habit to use the colon. So b equals to input. I will take another input from the same user. That is, I will say enter your wife name. Okay, and I will again give the colon. So I want to print. Okay, so what should I have to print? So I will just print that A and I will give the letter that is lows between A and B. So A and B is there. Now I have to save this file because I want to run this code in that file. So I will save as. I'll go to the save as, and I will change the save as type. I will click on the all files. So it will be all files, and we should have to know that we have to save this file as a Python file. So by default, our file will be having this .py after our name. So I'll just give abc dot py. Okay, and I will save this file and just see what is the what we say what is the path of that file, that is Windows C users and Roshan. So actually we have this Roshan folder, so we directly go to that folder instead of going there. We can say, so I will minimize it and I will go to this PC and go to Windows C and users, then Roshan. And then what is our file name? abc.py. I'll single click on that file and I will click on this navigation bar. This navigation bar. This. I will click on this. I will erase whatever is there. And I will, after erasing, I will write here CMD, or I will type here CMD, small CMD, so that my command prompt will be open. And I'm supposed to run this file. Okay. So for running this file, I'll just type Python. I will give space and I will just type my file name. What is my file name? abc.py, so that my file will be run. Okay. Now I will press the enter button. So it is showing me to enter my name. So my instead of writing my name, I will just write Virat and I will write wife name, that is Anushka, and I'll get my expected output. So after getting output, I will just control C. I'll just press control C. I'll go to my original file. Original file is in the notepad and I will save its output. Okay. I'll save its output, that is in the this three, in between these three single quotes on the either sides, and I will save this file. So that is my output. Okay. And that is the way to run our Python code on the command prompt, so that unless and until we haven't network, or we don't have network, still we can run our code. Okay, so thank you.